doing here?
Well, I've been thinking. And the thing is, I love you.
What?
I love you.
How do you expect me to respond to this?
Say you love me too.
How about I'm leaving?
Anything I say mean anything to you? Anything I say mean anything to you?
What is this supposed to mean? I'm sorry, Harry. I know it's New Year's Eve. I know you're feeling lonely. But you can't just show up here and tell me that you love me and expect that to make it all right. I mean, what am I supposed to say? Oh, great, Harry. You love me. That settles everything. Now we can waltz off into the sunset together. It doesn't work like this.
Well, how does it work?
I don't know, but not this way.
Well, how about this? How about I love it when it's 64 degrees outside and you're cold? How about I love it when your lip turns down just a little bit right there? And how about I love it when we go to lunch and you take an hour and a half just to order a sandwich? I even love how you use my sleeve for your napkin. I love it when I spend a whole evening with you. And when I get home, I still have the smell of your perfume in my clothes. I even love it that when you're the last person that I think about at night before I go to sleep. I know it took 11 years to realize this and to figure it out. But I came here to tell you because when you love someone and really want to be with them and spend the rest of your life with them, you want to start spending the rest of your life now.
See, that's just like you, Harry. You say things like that, and you make it impossible for me to hate you. And I hate you, Harry. I hate you.